I've got my Stitch Fix, so if you want to see what's inside and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Baby is hanging out behind me with his handsome new little sweatshirt. Got him a little hoodie, so maybe you'll see it in the background. And Chloe's still at school. My mom's actually picking her up today because my stepdad had an appointment out in that area, so it all worked out. And my Stitch Fix came in. So this is a stylo subscription service, and if you go down below, there is a link to get you $25 off of your first fix if you've never had one before. And it also gets me $25 off of my next fix, but if you've never had one, it's a good discount off. If you keep 5 items or more, there is the background. If you keep 5 items or more, you do get 25% off, and that is the most generous bonus out there, or not bonus, but discount out there for these types of boxes. And you can get up to 8 items now. So they will send you a preview and you can pick up to 8 items. But if you only pick 4 or less, they're only going to send you up to 5 items. So they're not going to send you any more than 5 items if you haven't chosen them. My last couple of previews were like all grays, all boring. So I said, listen, no more with the gray. No more. I want color. So they decided to send me a bunch of black. Now, I don't mind gray and I don't mind black, but I would like a little color in my wardrobe. This is gray. It's got some pretty stripes on it though. I got this from Stitch Fix once upon a time. So I picked 4 things. We'll see what else they sent. I actually went through 2 different previews because the first preview, there was only one thing that I was even interested in and I wasn't super psyched about it. So I declined everything and they offered me a whole new preview, which they sent a couple days later, and I was able to find 4 things in there that I was interested in. All right, so here's my bag to send back anything I don't choose to keep. And here is my note from my stylist, who is Katie. Here is my little packet. And here is the bag that I chose from my preview. I really like this. All right, let's see what's in my bundle of joy here. I did ask for something to go under one of the cardigans. It does not look like that's what she sent. I asked for maybe a little green t-shirt. Instead, by Letty and me, I got a green sweater with some elbow patches. And while this is cute, it was not at all what I asked for. So this is one of my bigger issues with Stitch Fix, is they really don't seem to be listening these days to what it is that you want. Like I said, it took me 2 previews just to get some fall colors. And then when I asked for my 5th item to be something I could wear underneath the 2 cardigans that I chose, this would not be it. I'm not going to wear a sweater under a sweater. It's cute. I like it, but it wasn't what I asked for. Next, by Market & Spruce, which is their in-house brand, we have this orange cardigan. All right, it's got a little bit of texture here, and I was delighted with that color. Next, by Democracy, we have these pants. Now, these are not a petite, but they are also straight leg, so that should work. And I really liked the dark brown here, and I like these pockets. Kind of a little bit of an interesting pocket. And then by Fortune and Ivy, we have this long cardigan, and it's got some stripes. So the only article of clothing that they'd sent me from my first Fix preview that I was interested in was a cardigan similar to this, but it had like some weird, not striping, but like, I don't know, pattern. And I just wasn't sure if I liked it or not. This one I did like much better. So I said, well, let me give that a try. All right, so I'm going to try everything on, and I will be right back. All right, here I am with the first outfit. So I have those pants on. I have this green sweater on, and I do like it. It's got nice room, like the little elbow patches, so nice interest. I grabbed the purse, and this purse inside has another purse. Look at this. So it does have a smaller purse inside that you can wear as a crossbody, and strap is right here. So that's not bad, 2 purses in one. It's got like this little seaming there where the button is. We've got this nice detail here on the side pockets, and I just thought that was really, really cute. And I think it really goes with a lot of things, being it's in that kind of cognac brown, I believe they call that. Let's look at some prices. And I do know the prices on everything except for this top. I just don't remember them. This is the Letty and Me Ariana elbow patch sweater in olive, and that's $24.97. What a great price. The bag is the Malibu Sky Corin shoulder bag with detachable other bag, cognac, $64. And the pants are the Democracy Absolution high-rise utility pants in brown, and those are $78. That's the most expensive thing. Now I will say, while this is $25, everything else in the box is over $60. Now, I just noticed inside of here is this adorable animal print. I don't like animal print to wear, but I don't mind it as, you know, an accessory. And certainly in the inside of a bag is adorable. Let's take a look at those other cardigans. All right, so next I took this top, which I had from a previous fix, and I just picked it to go under the 2 different cardigans because I thought green would be a complementary color. So this does have some nice pockets. It's a nice length. Also has a nice hood. In case it's just a little bit chilly, you threw this on with a little scarf, right? This is the Fortune and Ivy Camille Hooded Cardigan in beige, $65. So I do like it. I do think it's cute. Not sure if I'm going to keep it though. I'm not sure if I $65 need it. I do, and I do like it. And at 25% off, it wouldn't be a terrible, bring it down enough to make it feasible. So it wouldn't be a terrible buy. All right, let's check out that last cardigan. And here is that last cardigan. It is super comfy, super soft, and I do like that about it. I like the color. I like the different kind of patterns in here. It is a little on the baggy side, so I might want to size that down if I decide to keep it. I'm not 100% sure. Like, I'm looking at this and I like the color, I like the feel, I like the patterns. Do I like the overall fit? That I'm not sure. That I'm just not sure of. I don't know that it actually does much for me, but let's take a look from the back. This is the Market and Spruce Goldie cable knit cardigan in burnt orange. And this is a size large, 69. So I could definitely size down on this, but I'm not even sure that I'm in love with it. If I send this back, I'm definitely going to send the other cardigan back. I definitely like these pants, and I do like that sweater that I could just pull over, and it was a great price. So I'm not really sure what I'm keeping, but I will try to let you guys know in the editing. All right, well, tell me what was your favorite item here that I tried on, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to each other, and hopefully I'll see you soon.